Hi Deepika, good evening.
Hey Aditi, good evening. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too, thank you.
Good. Thank you for joining today's Charcha session. So today with me I
Yes,
have Deepika Nishad. She is a yoga instructor from past 3 years, helping working women between 25 to 45 years age to heal PCOD, PCOS naturally through Hatha Yoga and Pranayama. So once again, I welcome you, Deepika, in this session, today's session. So in this session, we would like to hear your journey, your story. So let's get started.
yes, thank you. Thank you so much, Aditi, for a warm welcome. So, I'll brief about myself quickly. Namaste, everyone. My name is Deepika Nishad. My yoga journey began not as a career choice, but out of necessity. I was working in a demanding corporate job, and over time, the long working hours, stress, burnout took a toll on my health. And I started to experience fatigue, burnout, and hormonal imbalances. And then, out of desperation, I turned to yoga. I went to Rishikesh for my yoga teacher's training just for myself and not with the intention to start teaching, to simply heal myself there. And what I discovered was life changing. Through Hatha Yoga and Pranayam, I not only regained my health, but I also felt a deeper balance in my mind and emotions. The transformation was so profound that I felt to share this wisdom with other women, especially those like me who are career oriented and struggling with PCOS or PCOD. And that's when my personal healing became my purpose.
That's a really wonderful story. You have your personal connection with your goal to help these women who are already suffering from PCOD and PCOS to help them. I wish all the best for that. So, there
Yes.
are some myths about PCOD and PCOS. So, would you like to burst out some facts like myths and reality about this?
Sure, there are a lot of myths out there about PCOS and PCOD, and a lot of women do not even know that they are suffering from PCOS or PCOD. They simply are ignoring the symptoms. So, let me share at least three symptoms that people go through who are suffering from PCOS or PCOD. The first is the constant fatigue that they face because of PCOD, you're always tired, always low on energy, always fatigue, always the mental, you face mental block. Another one is irregular and missed period. The menstrual cycle is not regular. It is, if it is coming, the dates cannot be predicted. It is not in a regular cycle. Third is that excessive hair fall. Women today are facing excessive hair fall and unexpected hair growth in different body parts. That could be another reason that the body is trying to show you that, hey, we are dealing with PCOS right now, so we need to have a check.
Yes. Like we women always prioritize other things, our family, other occasions than their health. So, uh, just suggestion to them, listen to your body is what your message.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So,
Absolutely.
my next question is, what are your suggestion or would you give to the women who are struggling with PCOD, PCOS with their issue? And since your niche is PCOD and PCOS, can you give some suggestions so that women can bring those changes in their life and it would be helpful for them?
Right. From my experience of teaching to my clients, I have seen certain things work really beautiful to help women who are suffering from PCOS and PCOD to overcome their symptoms. The first thing that I recommend them is to start small. You do not need to make big and huge changes in your life that can be motivational just for few days, and then later all can feel like ये मेरे लिए नहीं है, ये मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है. तो start small,
Agree.
start with one or two lifestyle changes, like keeping fast after your dinner. Keep a gap, have early dinner and then keep a gap between your next meal, that is breakfast. So give your body that time, that resting and recycling time, where your body can work over itself and heal itself. Second thing is to be consistent. I cannot emphasize more on this because हम 2 दिन कुछ करते हैं, 4 दिन कुछ करते हैं, बाद में हम भूल जाते हैं या ब्रेक ले लेते हैं. वी आर नॉट कंसिस्टेंट एंड देन वी एक्सपेक्ट क्विक fixes like मैं ये कर दूं तो ये हो जाएगा, मैं वो कर दूं तो. So no, that's not how it works. PCO needs regular but consistent approach towards lifestyle changes, dietary changes, regular hatha yoga abhyas, pranayama abhyas shows transformational results. Third thing is, uh, do not do it alone, because when you are doing it alone you may lose your motivation. You may feel that अरे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, there's no change that I can see in my body. So that can be one demotivational factor. So always
Agree.
uh, enroll with a yoga instructor who can handhold you, guide you through your journey, tell you what will work for you, what will not work for you, can support you in your this journey to understand PCOS, and then help you to heal and make you feel the journey, that it is doable and not something out of your approach.
Yeah, I completely agree that having a community of people who are there to support you, guide you, and having a yoga instructor is really important to in our healing journey, woman's healing journey. So thank you for those suggestions. Is there anything else you want to share more with us?
Uh, just to summarize that, you need to work on your physical aspects, on your symptoms with regular Hatha Yoga and Pranayam. Make small but consistent changes in your lifestyle. Sleep on time, wake up on time, have early dinner, keep gap between your meals, and slowly try to have homemade cooked food and avoid junk food because of the preservatives and the MSG that is present in the junk food. It affects your hormonal balance. So yes, these small changes are often feels negligible and are often neglected, but that's where the true healing starts showing.
Very well said. Because small results only, small changes in your life only result into the big one. Because सचिन तेंदुलकर, लता मंगेशकर एक दिन में नहीं बने थे, उन्होंने धीरे धीरे ही स्टार्ट किया था.
Exactly.
That's how they became
Exactly.
the great personality in the whole world.
Exactly.
So एंड और एक चीज मैंने देखा है कि लोग लोग जिम ज्वाइन करते हैं, योगा क्लास ज्वाइन करते भी है, बट रिजल्ट नहीं दिखा तो छोड़ देते हैं. सो being a consistent is really important, and thank you for sharing all this wisdom, your personal story and suggestion with all of us. And I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you so much for joining with us. Thanks, Deepika.
Thank you
Have
Kriti,
a
for
good day.
having me. It was lovely catching up with you. Thank you so much. Bye.
Same
Namaste.
here. We'll do connect next time for more such sessions. Okay.
Surely, surely, surely. I look forward.
Bye bye. हाँ.